This is my intro. This is my intro. This is my intro.
Hi guys, I'm Nash. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please click down the subscribe button and also tap the bell so that you'll get notified every time I post. Also follow me on all my social media accounts. It's at Queen Nash Rapi. Again, at Queen Nash Rapi. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I DIY my crop top from an old blouse that I don't wear anymore. This one I'm wearing is not the one I'm gonna make. I bought this one from Tai, and if you haven't watched my tie haul, I will link my tie haul down below. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned from what I DIY. So let's get into the video. Bye! I have this blouse that I only wore once. So it's a bell sleeve top. It's nice, but I look old when I wear it. So what I wanted to do is to make it as a crop top. So what you will need is a top, some elastics, needle and thread, and scissors. So first, measure on how long your crop top what you want it to be. Me, I want to remove the lace part, so I will cut it there. Carefully cut the top and make sure you won't cut the part where you want to sew it. So just cut the lace top part. So when cutting the sleeves, make sure there is an angle, not a straight line. It should be a slanted line so you give enough space for your arms to move. And then cut all the way through the back side and repeat it also onto the other side. When cutting the back part, spread the cloth so that you won't get some abnormal seams again. So be careful not to cut all the way through the sleeves because remember the neck sleeves should be angled. Don't throw away the other part because you need to get the strings because we can use that as a design for the crop top so it won't look that plain. Once you're done cutting, sew the seams but give a little space because the elastic need to be tunneled inside the seam. So you can either hand sew it or if you have a sewing machine, sew it with a straight stitch. When you get the elastic, measure the elastic from your shoulder to shoulder and that will be the size of your crop top. So when you're done with the seams, use a safety pin when you thread the elastic inside the seams because that will make your work easier. Make sure when sewing the seams you leave a gap so that you can insert the elastic there. Thread the elastic inside all the way up to the sleeves and up to the other side of the crop top. Once you're done threading the elastics around the seams, sew it together and close the gap. Spread the elastic all around the crop top. Make sure the sleeves have equal elastics because it will look weird if you wear it. So flip it with the right side because you're going to sew the small ribbon in front and the middle of the top so it won't look that simple. Alright, thanks for watching my DIY videos. So if you want me to do another DIY, send me a photo of clothes that you want me to try to DIY and I will try to do it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow me in all my social media accounts. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye!
Go uptown, uptown, click, click, reload.